How can you share screen on your Zoom app, or how can you fix if you cannot share your screen on your Zoom application on your mobile phone? So guys, we just have to understand some things that how this screen sharing on your Zoom application works. The first principle is you just have to be in a good connection of network to share your screen, and the second one is sometime if you're using iPhone, so in iPhone there is some setting of privacy or security that won't allow you to screencast or share the screen along the Zoom application. So the second step is what we have to do. Firstly, just update your application. If you have not updated it yet, go on the Play Store like this. I'm going on. Click on the Play Store here and find Zoom. Search for it. Here you can see my application is not updated yet. That's why I'm facing this type of problem. I cannot allow or I cannot share my screen on the Zoom app because of this update. Firstly, I will click on the update option and update my application. After updating your Zoom, you just have to find Zoom in your app menu. Hold it for 3 seconds. Click on the app information option, and in this you just have to click on the permission. Whenever you will click on the permission, you just have to allow all the permissions display here. After that, back out, and you will see there is picture and picture option here. There is also an option called display over other apps. So you simply have to click on display over other apps. Also have to allow this picture in picture option so that you are available or you are able to screen share on your Zoom. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.